Before technology became invisible, before materials became optimized, before design became precision, matter had weight. And weight had intelligence. Titanium. Because colors were never just colors. Titanium is a cool metallic gray tone inspired by the physical appearance of titanium metal, a lightweight, high-strength material used in aerospace, medicine, and advanced engineering. It is not a decorative metal, it is structural intelligence. The physics behind titanium color comes from controlled metallic reflectance, electron mobility on polished surfaces, and low absorption light behavior across visible wavelengths, producing a perception of precision, durability, engineered clarity, controlled reflectivity, structural neutrality. Unlike soft grays, titanium feels intentional. Human psychology strongly associates titanium tones with technological advancement, reliability, control efficiency, intelligence, modern authority. Because metallic surfaces signal manufactured precision rather than natural randomness, biologically, titanium-like visuals appear in tasas industrial machinery, aerospace components, surgical tools, high-performance equipment, architectural hardware. These environments signal safety through engineering, predictable performance, low failure probability, controlled systems. Nature does not produce titanium surfaces easily. It is a human-made visual identity. Historically, titanium transformed industry through aircraft construction, biomedical implants, space exploration systems, military engineering, high-end manufacturing, because it combines strength with low weight. In design, titanium communicates futuristic minimalism, high-tech sophistication, premium engineering, structural elegance, modern authority. It feels advanced without excess. Fashion uses titanium tones to express cold luxury, technical elegance, cyber-modern identity, refined minimalism. It removes emotional noise in favor of structure. Cinema uses titanium in scenes involving futuristic worlds, advanced civilizations, AI systems, industrial megastructures, technological dominance, because it visually signals engineered order. Modern branding uses titanium in aerospace companies, tech platforms, automotive design, luxury electronics, cybersecurity systems, because it communicates trust through precision. But beneath all visual systems, titanium represents something deeper. The idea that strength does not need weight, that durability can be light, that perfection is not chaos-controlled, but structure perfected. Like machines that never tire, like systems that never drift, like materials that refuse decay. Titanium is permanence engineered, a color that does not imitate nature, but improves upon its constraints, because colors were never just colors.